Have you ever wondered if a younger woman is showing more than just a friendly interest in you? Today, we're diving into the telltale signs and actions younger women use when they're hitting on older men. It's about understanding the subtle, and sometimes not so subtle, cues that can give away her true intentions. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to spot these signals and understand what they mean, giving you the confidence to respond appropriately. Also, don't go anywhere just yet. At the end of this video, I have an essential bonus tip that ties all these points together. It's a key piece of advice that will add depth and value to everything we've discussed. Make sure to stick around for this insightful addition. It's something you won't want to miss. Now, let's get started. 1. Admiring your life experience. Have you ever noticed a younger woman showing interest in your life stories and experiences? That's our first point. When a younger woman is hitting on you, she might often express admiration for your wisdom, life stability, or the rich experiences you've had. What does this look like? Let's say you're sharing stories about your travels, your career, or even lessons you've learned over the years. If she's really interested in you, she'll listen closely and show genuine interest. She might say things like, "Wow, that's so impressive," or "I've never met someone with such fascinating experiences." This isn't just small talk. It's her way of showing she values and respects your journey through life. Why is this important? As an older man, you've likely got a wealth of experiences and knowledge. When a younger woman focuses on this, it's often her way of flirting. She's not just making conversation, she's showing she finds your life journey attractive and intriguing. What should you do? Enjoy these moments. Share your stories and wisdom, but also be curious about her life and experiences. This can create a meaningful connection. It's not just about the age difference, it's about the mutual respect and admiration for each other's life paths. In short, when a younger woman admires your life experience, take it as a sign. She's likely interested in you for your wisdom and the stability you represent. It's a compliment to your journey and a great starting point for deeper conversation. 2. Mirroring your body language. Let's explore another interesting sign. When a younger woman is interested in you, she might start copying your body language without even realizing it. This is a powerful sign of subconscious attraction. What does it look like? Imagine you're having a conversation and you lean back in your chair. She does the same. Or if you cross your legs, she mirrors the action shortly after. This mirroring isn't a coincidence. It's a way our bodies react when we feel a connection with someone. Why does mirroring happen? It's all about subconscious signals. When someone mirrors your body language, it often means they feel in tune with you. They are comfortable in your presence and are trying to build a connection. For a younger woman to mirror an older man, it shows a level of comfort and interest that goes beyond just casual conversation. What should you do? Pay attention to these subtle cues. If you notice her mirroring your actions, it's a positive sign of her interest. You can gently test this by subtly changing your posture or gestures to see if she follows. Remember, this isn't about playing games. It's about recognizing a natural, unspoken form of communication. In summary, when a younger woman mirrors your body language, it's often a subconscious indication of her attraction to you. These small gestures speak volumes about the connection she feels, so keep an eye out for them in your interactions. 3. Expressing desire for mature relationships. This one's a very telling sign. When a younger woman is hitting on an older man, she might often talk about her preference for more mature, stable relationships over those with her peers. What does this look like? In your conversations, she might share her thoughts about relationships. If she mentions preferring the company of someone more experienced, or talks about the value of stability and maturity in relationships, take note. This isn't just small talk, it's her indicating what she's looking for in a partner. Why does this matter? Expressing a desire for mature relationships is a clear sign she values the qualities that often come with age, like wisdom, stability, and experience. For a younger woman, these traits can be very attractive and provide a sense of security that she might not find in relationships with her age peers. What should you do? Listen attentively when she discusses these topics. It's an opportunity to understand her perspective and to see if your experiences and expectations align. You can also share your views on relationships, highlighting the qualities you bring to the table. This creates a deeper level of conversation and connection. In short, when a younger woman talks about her preference for mature relationships, it's often a direct hint of her interest in you. She's looking for the qualities you possess, which makes it an excellent opportunity to explore the potential of your connection. Before we dive into our next point, can I ask for a small favor? If you're enjoying what you're learning, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing. Your engagement is more than just support, it's guidance. It tells me what you enjoy and want more of. So, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences. I'm always eager to read them. Every like, comment, and subscription makes a huge difference. 4. Making inside jokes. This is a delightful sign of interest. When a younger woman starts creating inside jokes with you, it means she's building a private, light-hearted world that only the two of you share. What does it look like? Imagine this. During your conversations, she brings up a funny incident that happened when you were both present, or she playfully references something you both laughed about before. These aren't just random jokes. They are inside jokes that create a bond between you two. Why are inside jokes important? Inside jokes are a way to strengthen connections. They create a sense of intimacy and exclusivity, as if you're both in on a secret that no one else knows. It's a subtle yet significant way of saying, I enjoy our time together and remember the fun moments we share. What should you do? Engage with her humor, contribute to these inside jokes, or bring them up in future conversations. It shows that you also value the unique and fun interactions you have with her. Remember, humor is a fantastic way to deepen a connection, especially when it's shared between just the two of you. In summary, when a younger woman makes inside jokes with you, it's a sign of her growing interest and comfort in your company. It's her way of saying she values the special moments you've shared and looks forward to more. So, enjoy this playful aspect of your interaction and let it bring you closer. 5. Appreciating your stability and security. This next one is significant. A younger woman hitting on an older man often values the sense of stability and security he can offer. This appreciation might come up in comparison with her past experiences. What does this look like? In your conversations, she might express admiration for the stable life you've built, whether it's your career, emotional maturity, or your ability to handle life's ups and downs. She might compare this positively to her past experiences, highlighting the difference and her appreciation for your stability. Why is this appreciation important? For many younger women, the appeal of an older man comes from the stability and security he represents. This goes beyond financial aspects. It's about the emotional maturity, life wisdom, and the calm assurance you bring to the table. This can be a refreshing change from the uncertainties they might have experienced with peers. What should you do? Recognize and value these moments of appreciation. Share insights about your life and experiences that contribute to this sense of stability. But also, be sure to show interest in her views and experiences. This mutual exchange can create a deeper level of respect and understanding between you. In conclusion, when a younger woman appreciates the stability and security you offer, it's a clear indicator of her interest in you. It reflects her desire for a mature, stable relationship, which is something you are uniquely positioned to provide. Embrace these moments as opportunities to connect on a meaningful level. 6. Comparing you to men her age. Let's delve into another interesting point. When a younger woman is interested in you, she might often compare you favorably to men her own age, emphasizing your maturity and other admirable qualities. What does it look like? During your conversations, she may bring up how men her age lack certain qualities that she admires in you. This could be about your life experience, maturity, or the way you handle situations. For instance, she might say, "Guys my age just don't get it like you do," or "I appreciate how you're so grounded compared to others." Why is this comparison significant? These comparisons are her way of showing she finds your qualities especially attractive. It's not just about age, it's about what your age represents to her: wisdom, experience, and a different way of viewing the world. This can be very appealing to someone who's seeking a deeper level of understanding and connection. What should you do? Listen to these comparisons carefully. They offer insights into what she values and looks for in a relationship. You can share more about your experiences and perspectives, further highlighting the qualities she admires. However, remember to also express interest in her views and experiences with her peers. This shows that you respect her perspective and are open to understanding her world. In summary, when a younger woman compares you favorably to men her age, it's a strong sign of her interest and attraction to your maturity and life experience. These comparisons are not just about age. They reflect her admiration for the unique qualities you possess. Recognize these moments as opportunities to deepen your connection based on mutual respect and understanding. Bonus tip: embrace authenticity. After exploring these signs, here's a bonus tip that's crucial for any interaction, especially in relationships with a significant age gap. Embrace authenticity. Being genuine in your interactions is key. It's about being true to who you are and not trying to fit into what you think she might want. Why is authenticity important? Authenticity builds trust. Younger women will appreciate and be more attracted to an older man who is comfortable in his own skin and doesn't pretend to be someone he's not. This honesty is refreshing and creates a foundation of genuine respect and attraction. How to be authentic. Share your true interests, views, and feelings. Don't shy away from discussing your life experiences, even if they differ from hers. Also, be open to learning about her world without judgment. Authenticity means not only being honest about yourself, but also being receptive to her uniqueness. A word of caution. While it's important to be yourself, also be mindful of being respectful and considerate. Authenticity doesn't mean disregarding her feelings or perspectives. It's about a balanced exchange where both of you can be yourselves comfortably. In conclusion, alongside recognizing the signs of interest, always prioritize being authentic. Genuine interactions are the most rewarding and lead to deeper, more meaningful connections. Embrace who you are, and you'll find that your authenticity is your greatest appeal. Now that you know the signs of a younger woman hitting on you, take the next step. Will you learn how to get a younger woman to chase you, or discover how to make her miss you badly? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.